Welcome to Levitate with me, Ryan Nell. Levitate's a community for people who want to find calm, clarity and connection in their busy lives. So Levitate began as a drop-in meditation studio and has grown into a global community of people who are interested in developing their mental, emotional, physical and spiritual well-being. And I'm very much hoping you want to join. In the digital version of this community, we have weekly live Q&As, live classes that you can join, as well as a library of recorded videos and courses to follow. You have access to some of the most brilliant people in well-being, nutritionists, life coaches, yogis, and people who will be able to help you take your well-being journey to the next level. In addition, we've got a culture club. It functions like a book club, and every month we're going to be exploring a new book or film within the diverse spheres of well-being. We'll vote on what we're going to study together, and we will enjoy learning from each other's diverse opinions. And I think that really sums this community up. It is a community of people who are investing in their own well-being and very invested in helping each other out. And really, when you join this community, you are making a commitment and will also enjoy the fact that everyone in it helps to lift each other up. So see you here.